Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day, so I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm coming on today to share with you a Valentine's Day tag flip that I created. I did use the digital paper line from Ft.Tanya Leigh Designz. She is an online digital store, and she actually is a new sponsor to my challenge giveaway, and she's going to be giving away one digital kit for her February release. This is some of the digital paper. As you can see, I've already been playing with it. It's super cute paper. I just wanted to share with you some of the paper. This is not even all of it. She has so many different designs, tags, cut aparts, washi tape. It's a really fun collection. So I'm going to leave her link to her store in the description box below. So just check down there if you want to go check out her digital line. I did create this tag flip, and I did use several dies. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly share with you some of the dies that I used in case you are wondering. This is one of the dies that I used. I used this envelope die. I used this stitched heart die. I used this fun lip die. I used this alphabet set. I believe I used this die. I have it in my thing, in my little dies, but I'm not sure if I used that one. But anyway, used this stitched heart die as well. And then I used this die and have several in here. This word die right here. It's really cute. And then I'm trying to pull out my little Cupid. Sorry about that. And I use this die right here. And I used several other dies in this tag flip, and I apologize if I did not share the die, but if you have any questions regarding what I shared today, check the description box below for more information. I will try to have it listed in the description box for you. Okay, oh, here is that embellishment with the hearts and the clouds. I don't think I used it in this tag flip. I think I used it in a different one, but I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. It's really cute. It embosses the hearts. Isn't that adorable? It's raining love. It's raining hearts, you guys. Super cute. All right, anyway, back to the tag flip. All right, so this is the tag flip, and as you can see, I added some cute ribbon and some tulle. I did create a bunch of felt bows using one of my favorite bow dies, which of course I didn't pull, but I've shared with you guys before. This is one of my new favorite bow dies. So I used the stitched hearts, and I layered it a couple of times, and it says, "Hey girl." And I just used some enamel dots and stuck a Swarovski crystal right there on that little heart. So that's the first tag, and then you flip it over, and this is the back, and it says "Call Me," using that word die, "Call Me," and then that heart is also another die from my stash. And then again, I didn't pull the tag dies that I used, and this is Cat Scrappiness tag die, in case you're wondering, and I used different sizes of that tag die throughout this tag flip. So this is a washi paint sample digital paper, and I just cut it out using the tag die, and I think that came out really pretty. Just added the heart. And here is the back of the tag. In this digital line, she has a lot of little bits and pieces, and what I did was I used my brother's Scan and Cut to cut out all the digital images, and it made it so easy for me to just embellish once it was cut out, so I didn't have to fussy cut anything. So if you have that brother's Scan and Cut, definitely use it for digital paper. It works wonderful. And I did print the paper out on 110-pound cardstock, in case you're wondering, and it prints out beautiful. You can't even tell it's digital paper. All right, so here's my next tag, and this is actually a Jaded Blossom tag, and then I just use a few of the little cut aparts from the collection and use some enamel dots, and I think that came out really cute. And then here is the back of the tag, and I use that lacy heart die, and it says "Baby Cakes." Moving along, I used the larger Cat Scrappiness tag die, and then I use this really pretty die right here that has the little hearts. And this envelope is part of the digital collection, and what I did was I was able to cut it out and then just use my scoreboard to score it to create the little mini envelope. And then I just have a little sticky dot in here, and I put some die cuts in there for the recipient, because I will be gifting this tag flip to someone special. All right, the back of that tag looks like this, and I just created a pocket and I added some of the bits and pieces from the collection. And as you can see, it says love, and I just used a lot of the little pieces that she has in the digital collection. And again, it was cut out with the Brother Scan and Cut, so it cut out perfectly, you guys, so it made it really easy. These are some little bits and pieces that I added to the envelope. I added this really pretty sparkly shoe. And then these tags are from the collection, I love you, and then Cupid is stupid. And then here's a 3x4 card, same thing. And then this one says love this. So I figured I would just put some little bits and pieces in the pocket. And then this right here, I just cut it out of the digital paper, and that is a cat scrappiness die. So just some fun little pieces for the recipient to use for next Valentine's Day. I know this is going to be sent out late, but it will be sent out this month. So we're going to celebrate Valentine's all month long, right? Okay, so I'm going to flip that over. Here's the next tag. It says, I love you always. And I just put some enamel dots and 2 tiny little hearts that I had in my stash. Really, really pretty. And that's part of the collection. And I just cut it apart, or I just die cut the tag, or die cut the image with the tag die. And it comes out really pretty, you guys. So it's fun to play with digital paper. So here's the next tag. I just used a sticker from the Michaels collection, and I added some enamel dots to the bicycle to make it a little sparkly. And I just layered some of the papers, and it says XOXO, and that is a Sizzix die that I picked up recently from Hobby Lobby. On the back of that tag, I did create a coin envelope, and this is another die from my stash, which I did not bring down, but I've shared with you in the past. So I used this, and then I added some Velcro, and then I added some die cuts inside so that the recipient could have some fun using some of the die cuts that I used in the project. And down here it says love you, and I just absolutely love this die. It's so cute. I just love the font. So super, super cute. All right, so here's the next tag, and it says be mine. Again, using those word dies, and this is a sticker from Michaels. And then we have the next tag, and I just used, excuse me, some cut aparts from the collection. I layered it with a scalloped heart that I had. It's another die in my stash, and it says love this, and that's part of the little digital collection. And I just love the little red paint strip. Cutting it out with the tag die just makes it look so pretty, don't you think? So really had fun with that. And here is the back of this tag. I layered it with this really nice image from the digital collection. And then here is my little envelope that I created using that die, the envelope die, and I put some goodies in there. And then on the front of the envelope, I just used some of the ephemera from the digital collection, those cute sunglasses. And then I included this tag right here. I just thought it was pretty, and the person that receives this can embellish it a little bit more, but I just thought I would add it for fun. And then moving along, I just used the digital paper and cut it out, cut it with that little Cupid, added a blingy heart, and pieced together this little hearts right here. And I think it came out really cute. And here's the back of this tag, and I just used my heart balloon die that's in my stash. And then this XOXO die is from my Creative Time. And I used the wood grain digital paper on the back of that one. And then this is the last tag right here, and I used the red glitter paper. I used a stitched heart die that creates a stitching outside of the paper. And then backed with the pretty polka dot paper, I used the love word die, and this is the washi tape samples that comes in the digital kit, and I just kind of layered it on top of each other and used some enamel dots. And this is the back of that tag. This is the last tag in the flip, and as you can see, it says sealed with a kiss, and then it says bite me. And I just thought that was super cute, and I love those big juicy red lips, and that pink and white paper in the background is just really, really pretty. So I hope that the recipient enjoys this tag flip, and I think it came out really, really cute, and I really had a lot of fun playing with the digital papers. So check the description box below if you like playing with digital papers. I do have 2 other little cards I wanted to share with you since it's Valentine's Day. I had made this super cute box card a while back, but I just thought I would share since it's Valentine's Day, and it says true love. And I colored up that little image, the little girl image, and it says Cupid's got nothing on you. And I just think it's so super cute. So I just wanted to share with you my little box card. Nothing fancy. And then I have one more Valentine's Day card I wanted to share with you. I use this really pretty heart die. This love die is a Sizzix die, and I did layer it with some fun foam to give it dimension. And then I just took some Michael's trim and made a pretty ribbon on the front, and it turned out to be a really pretty card. And then on the inside, I just layered it with my stitched heart dies, and I stamped out Happy Valentine's Day. And this is a stamp from Michael's that you can pick up this year. And I think it came out really, really adorable. So that is my Valentine's Day share for you today. Please leave me a comment, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the description box below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.